Nouns and adjectives is an object-based discussion strategy we use at the North Carolina Museum of Art. This strategy encourages students to consider how artists communicate information through a visual medium by observing and identifying what they see, sharing interpretations and connections, and using those findings to create new ideas and new work. Watch NCMA museum educator Camille Toole facilitate a discussion using this strategy.
Everybody gets a piece of paper and a pencil to sit with. What I want you to do is to write as much as you can and as quickly as you can, as many words. It has to be a person, place, or thing kind of word. Okay, a noun. And go. Try to make a really complete list, and then when we're done, I'll collect your list, okay?
Nouns and adjectives helps connect standards in ELA and the visual arts, and is particularly helpful for ESL and ELL learners, helping students strengthen their written and oral communication skills.
I'm going to repeat everything that you give me, so just call them out, and I'll write them down. Anyone can start.
Trees.
Trees. What else? Water. Rocks. Deer. Grass. Mist. Sky. Okay, I'm going to read the list back to you, and I want you to look at your list as I read and see if I left anything off that you recorded, okay? Trees, water, rocks, deer, fawn, waterfall, cliff, doe, woods, Virginia, evergreens, forest, Yellowstone, river, grass, mist, sky, nature, twigs, plants, mountain, dead trees, and clouds. Now, I'm going to time you again and ask you to do some more writing on the other half of your paper. And on this half, what I want you to do is to write down all of the adjectives that you see or that come to mind as you look at this work of art. So remember, adjectives are describing words. And if this one is harder to do than the last one, that's normal, and that's okay. So just come up with as many as you can, but don't stress. Stop. And once again, I'm going to repeat everything that you give me, so just call them out, and I'll write them down. Steep, okay?
Steep.
Oh, steep, sorry. Natural, okay? Beautiful. Bending.
Misty.
Misty. White.
Brown.
Brown. What else? Mysterious. Okay, I'm going to read my list. This is a great list. Actually, I have just as many on this side as I do on the other, so you really came up with a lot. I'm going to read it out to you, and I want you to just look at your own list and make sure I didn't miss anything that you jotted down. I've got green, blue, rugged, full, rocky, flowing, fast, sharp, dirty, rather strange, big, pretty, wet, steep, natural, beautiful, bending, misty, white, brown, mysterious, and dead. Peaceful, okay? Someone gave me the word wet. Yeah.
When I was looking at it, I almost thought like I was in it, and if I were in it, I would definitely get wet.
So what did the artist do to give you the sense of wet?
And there's like mist, and it hits you because it goes all the way around.
Well, thank you again for participating in this conversation. You all came up with amazing words, and something that I was really impressed by while you were working. When you were writing, you were all writing so quickly, and as you were writing, you would look up, and your eyes were going all over the work of art. And that's what we really try to get people to do when they come to the museum. So thank you for that.